In a bustling city, a peculiar object appeared overnight in the park, a vintage typewriter, pristine and untouched. People gathered, whispering tales of its origin. Some claimed it was a portal to another world. Others said it belonged to a ghostwriter. Curiosity piqued when a local journalist typed a question. "Who are you?" The typewriter clacked on its own, spelling out, "I am you." Shocked, the crowd realized it was a mirror to their souls, reflecting their deepest thoughts. The typewriter vanished the next day, leaving only questions. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.